right up beside and lays down and puts her face right close to yours, like she just wants to be close. They love to be cuddled, like she loves when you lay down with her, put your arm around her. She's so funny. She's mischievous and manipulative and just, my God, she makes me laugh. She's very much like a human. Like, she loves her baked goods. Bring on the donuts and the cupcakes and the cookies and all those stereotypical things. She had this crazy personality, and she was so funny and affectionate and curious and all of these things that we associate with dogs. You know, and the animals we typically share our home with, that to think of her on a commercial farm and what those animals are treated like and what they're used for was really eye-opening and devastating to me.